Luckily, this one is not damaged.
It might be a bit hurt.
That one.
Yeah. Damaged a little.
Hindi amin to. Natumba siya after the storm. Medyo malakas kasi yung hangin kaya natumba siya. Kaya kami nagpunta dito, tinignan namin yung sailing boat namin, pero okay naman. So ito eh. Medyo malaki. Oh, it should be damaged that side though.
Yeah.
The other side. But I hope no serious damage.
Nej, det går att fixa.
Yeah, man. But it's quite expensive, I think.
Ja, det är ju försäkringen. För det krossar ju inredningen.
Yeah.
The interior.
What?
You know, inside the boat,
Yeah.
you have the ones, the dividers,
Mm.
and you have the interior, interior things.
Yeah.
Of course, it's crushed.
So the other one is no cover. May mga nawalan din ng cover. Pero at least hindi natumba. Pero ito oh. I think you said that she only have 4 pieces stand, right? This one is quite big.
Jag tycker det såg ut så, men de kanske hade flyttat någon. Ja, det är ungefär som våran.
Huh?
Ungefär som vår.
Yeah, it's quite big.
Luckily, it's not very deep.
Huh?
Luckily, it's not very deep. If it had been deeper,
What do you mean deeper?
the keel, if it had been longer down,
Oh my god, yeah.
then it would have.
What do you mean?
Then the top would be higher up,
Oh.
and of course it will be.
Oh, you mean it's not very long?
Yeah.
Not
No,
like
I mean-
us.
Yeah, not very.